Hey guys, how's it going? So for sale here, I have a 1948 Olivetti MP1, and this is different from the ICO version. Those have the little ICO emblem right here in front, and this is a rare one. It also has a QWERTY keyboard, fully American keyboard, with the exception of the writing on the shift keys and the shift lock, and this one. I'll try to hold this up for you. So this one, these are the shift keys, and over here, this vast selter, that's the shift lock, and this is the margin release over here, and then this one, this Tereg totes, that's backspace, and this thing is cosmetically, well, it's seen better days, but mechanically, 100%. Everything works flawlessly, everything's aligned. This ribbon color selector is so easy to use. You just pull it out, push it out. It's on a spring, and you can just, let me try to show you. Yeah, that's tough. That's a tough angle. Anyways, you just pull it out, and there's little teeth, and that's it. Move it back and forth. And, some of them on other machines, kind of annoying because you're not sure if you went too far or not far enough. You kind of have to hear like it locks into position, and this one, very easy, very convenient. Probably the best one I've ever seen on any machine. Really cool, and these older Olivettis with the glass keys, they're uncommon to say the least. And this one's got a couple little dents right here and some paint scratching off around the frame, and it's a little bulge right here, but functionally, it's 100%. Everything works. Line spacing mechanism, shift, the carriage lock. Platen, I think, is even pretty soft. I don't know if it was replaced, semi-recently, the last however many years, but it's not as hard as you might think. I've come across some other ones that are in much worse condition, and this thing feeds paper really great. And I'm going to give you a type sample, and then I'll pull it out and show you guys how it came out. But feeds paper really easily. This thing, you pull it forward, get the paper underneath, drop it back down, and again, once I'm done, I'll pull this out and give you guys a clear shot of the type sample. You heard the bell? And then I'm going to give you guys some caps, and I'll mix it up. And then I'll give you guys some numbers and some letters. And the reason I hit the spacebar after those two keys, they're foreign language keys, and their characters meant to go above letters. Like one of them is 2 dots, the other is like these accent marks, and they're called dead keys because they don't advance the carriage, because you're supposed to hit those, and then underneath you can hit the character, the E or the O or whatever. But now I'll give you guys these symbols, the figures. Gives you a mixture of uppercase and lowercase and black and red. And so I'll pull this out for you guys now, and you can see this ribbon is also pretty, I don't know, I think it might be pretty new, but you can see everything is super clear and everything's aligned. The only issue as far as alignment is concerned is the one key that has the 3/4 and the equal sign. It's tilted just a hair to the right, and you can see the 1/4 key is too, but really not very noticeable at all. And all things considered, not the most important key, but everything else, you can see all these uppercase and lowercase, they line right up. And this is a really nice machine mechanically. It writes nice, it's cool. I'll just show you some of these cool details. It's got these proprietary covers that snap on over the ribbon. You just pull them off, and you know, these ribbons, these are the ones you replace. You're good for a while. As you can see, it's pretty dark, the imprint on the red and the black. And but yeah, these just snap on and snap off, and it's got this like octagonal platen knob, kind of cool. Just, you know, just a unique little thing about this machine. Over here is where most of the like mechanics are. Try to get this in good light. That's not happening. So this is the carriage lock. You just slide that forward, and you just move the carriage to the left, and it'll lock right into place. So, you know, it stays put when it's traveling. This thing, this little thing right here, that changes the direction of the ribbon. You just push it in, or you pull it out, and that'll make the ribbon feed on one side or the other. I think this has an auto reverse mechanism, but I'm not positive. Although this does work, it works both ways, so nothing to worry about there. And then this guy is, right now it's on single spacing, and you move it right here, kind of diagonally. That's 1.5, and then up, that's double line spacing. And these levers right here, this one and this one over here, those are what release the feed rollers, which you want to keep disengaged when you're not writing. You just push this one forward, I believe. Nope, back, that's disengaged. And then if you push it forward and this other one forward, you can hear they're engaged. And I think that's all the features on this guy. These are the margins. You just can move those by sliding them back and forth wherever you want it. This is the one that'll make the bell go off. This is the left margin. Again, you just push in, move it to wherever you want. And yeah, like I said, cosmetically, this guy is not the best, but it functions great. Feels really good to write with, and it does not disconnect from this case. It's on pivots back here, and you can see it's missing one of the little rubber feet, but it doesn't affect it. There's no it doesn't feel uneven. For some reason it works. Yeah, I don't know, but it works good. You know, feel it, and feels good to write with. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm not sure if I showed you the bell. It does work. And yeah, have a good one. Take care.